So once the component comes here, so we will change the drawing origin. So go to setup here, go to setup, change origin. So click it here wherever you want it. So this is more than enough for me. So from here we have to add the board shape. The board shape is going to create from the add a line. So you can choose add line, or you can go to place shape rectangle. I'll choose a shape rectangle here. Go to options. Inside the options, so go to options here. From the inside the option, choose board geometry, and you can choose either outline or design outline. So anyone is enough. So I'm going to go for the design outline. So click on the origin. So this section, so I'm going to create the design outline. So some people use the board outline too, so I'm going to create the board outline too. So go to shapes here, rectangle. So choose the outline, that is board geometry outline. So with respect to origin, okay, so design outline, and then so we'll bring our components to here. So click on the move button. So click on the move, select the components and bring it inside.